Hi, welcome to the course Build 8 Mini Projects in Python. I am Yaswanth and I am the creator of this course. This course is specifically designed for people who want to improve their resume or portfolio by brushing up their Python skills. In this course, you are going to build 8 mini projects in Python across different areas by using different Python modules and packages. Also, you will be coding all these mini projects from scratch. The projects that are included in this course are: Project 1 is a copy paste tool. You will be building a copy paste tool. And the Project 2, Stack Overflow search tool. And Project 3, Wikipedia search tool. Project 4 is a QR code generator. Project 5 is a URL extractor. Project 6 is a URL shortener. Project 7, Google search tool. Project 8, Pocket Dictionary. And yes, these are all the projects that you are going to build. Happy learning and see you in the